Hey guys, so a lot of you asked for a hair care video. Yeah, no problem, it's coming soon, but you have to know that even with the best hair care in the world, damaged, bleached or fried hair, basically like this, would never ever look good if you do not style it correctly. I'm gonna show you how I turn this mess, it's 6 days not washed hair, into something looking really nice and good without any hair extensions or expensive hair care products. So the first step is to use cashew oil to your hair, and guys, you won't believe it's amazing oil. It's not even near expensive as argan oil, but it does wonders to the hair. It adds volume, body, shine, it nourishes your hair, it hydrates it, it's just amazing. I use cashew oil once in a week. I apply it at least for 3 hours before I wash my hair with a regular shampoo, and yeah, I wash my hair once in a week only, and it's absolutely enough for a hair that is bleached. Next step is this styling technique, and for that I highly suggest using a straightener with a super narrow heating plates, because bleached hair doesn't need a lot of proceeding time to be styled. So narrow plates mean you are proceeding bleached hair for less and you have more control in styling it. Okay, let's turn this one on. Use a heat protectant on your hair and let it dry, and please never ever apply heat or heating tools on your hair when it's still wet. So this hairstyling technique is super easy and fast. You work only with the lower third of your hair, or basically only the ends. So grab about an inch size section of your hair, take your straightener, twist it counterclockwise, grab the hair, twist it clockwise, and go down. Let's do this one more time. So you take the hairpiece, you take your hair straightener, twist it counterclockwise, grab the hair, twist it clockwise, and go down. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and then we're gonna talk about the last step. Adding some curl always saves the hairstyle, because curls blend everything and hide all the imperfections you don't want others to see. And curling only the ends not only saves the time, but it also prevents the main length from heat damage. You're gonna trim your hair ends sooner or later anyway, and it's not so heartbreaking to trim the ends and to cut half your hair off. So avoid applying heat to the length and leave it to the ends only. And the last step is some finishing touch-ups. You can either use some hairspray or dry shampoo to add some volume and texture to your hair. I personally do not use hairspray because I feel bleached hair holds the curl so much longer than virgin hair. So usually I use just a bit of dry shampoo to add some volume and texture to my hair, and of course to hide the fact that my hair hasn't been washed for a really long time. Okay guys, and that was all about my 3 steps fake the hair hairstyling technique. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to check the cashew oil method, because it's amazing. It's a crazy lifesaver. Love you all so much, and we'll hang out in my next video. Mwah! Bye!